What's up, YouTube family? Gerald Greenlee here with the Clean and Green Lawn Service in South Georgia. What's up, YouTube family? Gerald Greenlee here with Clean and Green Lawn Service in South Georgia. Got a full day of it for me. Got 5 properties, and that's pretty much a full day for me. You can run on average, you know, traveling to the property, servicing it, going to another one, the time on the property, probably an hour and 30 to 40 minutes of property. So the actual cut time on the properties will go the quickest ones. Got a couple of them probably an hour actually on the property. Got one that's probably 2 hours. So anyway, she's got a lot of trimming on it. It's a property I did a cleanup on 2 weeks ago. So I'll try to get y'all some footage today, but it's already about 80 degrees here. It's 7:50 in the morning, and been at the office buttoning up a few things early this morning, and now I'm heading out to clip down some grass. So anyway, I got to stop and get some fuel, all that kind of good stuff, and I will check back with y'all probably at the first property. Well, I didn't get any footage of the first one. Looking kind of dark out, like it might rain or something, but anyway, here's the first property right here. And the second one's next door. I just circle around the block because of the way I have to back in, but you can see where one's cutting, one isn't, or maybe you can see that at the speed I'm going. But anyway, let me get backed in here and I'll check back with y'all. Well, look at there. At least I found something besides a snake out today. A little old turtle. I ain't afraid of him. Anyway, just thought I'd share some good news with you. Spring trimming. All right, guys and gals, I'm pulling up to the 4th property. I didn't get any footage on that last property. You can see this one out here. This is about an acre, I think. Not a whole lot of grass in the front, a lot of trees, short grass, bare spots. Back Bahia City. And oh my goodness. Y'all see this or not? Probably not on my dirty windshield. But there we go. The rain's starting to drop. So, yeah, hopefully it'll just blow over real quick. Blow over real quick, and I'll be able to get out here and get some cutting done. Dang it. Well, I didn't get any footage on the last property. I thought that was just going to be a one-time deal, but the house is for sale. But she asked me just to come back every 2 weeks until we get it done, so, or until they get it sold. So anyway. All right. Well, hopefully this little cloud will blow. It looks pretty good. I mean, the clouds are not that dark. You see this one dark one up here, but everything else looks pretty light. My window's tinted too, so maybe that'll be all right. But anyway, I'll check back with y'all in a few. Proud of how, I want to say I'm proud of how far along this yard has come. I mean, it's just got, that's a driveway there. That's gonna be bare till Jesus comes or it gets paved or something. But this front yard, I came and mulched these leaves several months ago, and there was hardly any grass. And the customer's been putting water on it. Doesn't have a sprinkler system. Been putting water and all that on it. He's had the trees lifted up, all of them. So it's probably getting a little bit more light in here. Of course, there's a lot of bahia out back, but you know, here where we live, if you don't sod a yard, or if you don't plant or overseed, if you don't really take care of a property, you're gonna have bahia. I mean, I take decent care of mine, and it's got bahia, but now it had bahia in it before I started. It's got less now than it did when I started. I've been putting, you know, fertilizing, got the centipede growing, starting to kind of choke it out. But anyway, what I'm saying is, I know some, you know, and I know probably most of you watch these videos wherever you live at, they take bahia and they put it on sides of the roads, you know, to help stop erosion. And they do that here, and so you get those seeds everywhere. Here, pastures are full of bahia grass. We got a lot of agriculture, a lot of farm, a lot of cattle around here, and you know, so got some fighter jets flying around today. I had the headphones on with the music playing when I was cutting out back. I think you'll be able to hear it. I could hear them. I don't know if y'all are gonna be able to see this. That's way up there. But anyway, all right, I got one more left. Probably could do another one too, but I don't know if I'm gonna do it today or not. We'll see. Let me get situated and get on to the next one.